Now let's say, unfortunately, we're all out of stock of an item and we can't sell it anymore. Now one option would be just to write that information on a chalkboard or a dry erase board or put up a poster or a piece of paper, but you actually, through Payflex, can make that a lot easier. To do so, I'm going to go ahead and log into the system. I'm going to go into really any order. And now let's say, for instance, that ahi tuna that you see there, we're all out of ahi tuna. So I want to mark it as out of stock. That way both my staff know and B, they can't ring it in. So to do so, I'm going to do what's called a long press. It's where I take my finger and I hold it down on the item button. As I do that, this window appears, and there you can see in the very middle there a button that says out of stock. So if I tap that button, you can see the window closes, the item turns gray, and now if I try to ring it in, I just get a message that says this item is out of stock. Now if I wanted to undo that, let's say I got a shipment of ahi tuna in and now it's available. Once again, I do a long press on the item button. There you can see there's a button there that says out of stock. I tap out of stock, and now the item is able to be rung in again. And that is how you mark an item as out of stock.